Hi everyone, this is Marie Hillin with Coldwell Banker Beverly Hills, and today we're talking about $0 mortgage. What is that and how to qualify? So the government released $2 trillion stimulus package, and I'm gonna attach entire 880-page bill so you can go through it. If you own 1 to 4 residential properties such as single family, duplex, triplex, fourplex, condo, coop, townhouse, apartment, then yes, you can apply for it. If you do have 5+ residential, it's multifamily units, you can apply it also. It's a little bit different, so I will not be covering this in this video. Let's just focus in on 1 to 4 residential properties. Bill also says that if you have a federal backed mortgage, which is any conventional loan, including Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Ginnie Mae, FHA, VA, USDA, basically all big loans. Exceptions for this program are if you own a land or vacant property, or if you have a property already in foreclosure, then you cannot apply for forbearance. Also, if you have a hard money loan or sell a carryback mortgage. So what does it take actually to apply and request a forbearance? Well, you have to have a direct or indirect hardship because of this outbreak. The good thing is that it does not have to be documented. You can get a 120-day of forbearance, and beyond that, if you need to extend it, you can also request additional 120 days. You cannot just stop making your payments. You have to follow the process. First of all, you have to have a confirmation from your loan officer that you're in a forbearance program. The thing about taking forbearance is it doesn't make everything just free. It means you don't have to pay your mortgage for 4 months and additionally 4 months, but you still have a loan. You still have to pay your property taxes and insurance. You can always try to call your insurance company. You can also try to call your local assessor, try to negotiate it, but still you cannot forget about it. The ways to pay it back, generally there are 3 ways to pay money back. A lump sum, which means that you have to pay the entire sum. For example, I know right now some of the banks, they require a lump sum after like 3 months. So if you haven't been paying your mortgage payment for 3 months, then after the 3 months, they want the entire sum. So it's kind of a lot of money, and I guess it's not going to be the ideal. What I would recommend, maybe you can negotiate with your lender. The better option is an installment option. Basically, you stop making your payments and then you start making your regular payments plus some additional amount until those months are repaid. That's more realistic, don't you think? And the best case scenario is the add method. Adding payments that you're supposed to make now to the end of your loan. So it just makes your loan a little bit longer, but it's making it much easier, right? And the last thing that I want to talk about is regarding credit score. So if you're gonna stop making payment, is it gonna actually affect your credit? No, it's not. If you're gonna apply for forbearance, you're gonna talk to your lender, and then you're gonna stop making payments, then you'll all be fine. You're gonna report it as a current. Now, if you're just gonna suddenly stop making payments, then yes, you're definitely gonna report it as late. Now, if you're late currently, the best way for you to do is to catch up on your payment and then apply for forbearance. At this case, you're going to report it as currently, and you will not affect your credit score. So let's talk about just overall like the situation, and let's pretend that a lot of people are actually gonna be requesting forbearance. The Federal Reserve is pumping billions of dollars daily into residential agency mortgage-backed bonds, and that helps prices and mortgage rates stay low. But the services who collect your payments, they're the one facing a big problem. You see, now when the borrowers has an opportunity to go through forbearance, they can delay monthly payments. But the servicers, they still have to pay the investors and MBA every month. Mortgage Bankers Association asked the Fed and Treasury to give them some kind of a liquidity line to pay those investors back, but still no word on that. That's it for today, and feel free to ask me questions, comment below. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.